Good morning, students. Today we will discuss or revise the chapter sentences and its types. Okay, so we have already discussed it in the online class thrice, but today I am making this video to make all your doubts clear. Okay, so let's start. So you all know what is a sentence. A sentence is a word or a group of words that makes a complete sense is called a sentence. You have already read it in your previous chapters and previous classes. So words or the group of words that make a complete sense is called sentence. Now there are mainly four types of sentence. Okay, four types of sentences: declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Okay, so what is a declarative sentence? Sentences that make statements are called declarative sentence, and a declarative sentence always ends with a full stop. Yes. So declarative sentence, what is declarative sentence? Declarative sentence is sentence that makes a statement, right? There is no question, no surprising elements, nothing else. Okay, there is just a statement like I am going to school, full stop. This is a declarative sentence. Neither there is a question, neither there is any kind of surprise, any advice, request, anything. Just make a sentence like my name is this, my name is Nabunila. So this is a declarative sentence, and always remember to put a full stop at the end of a declarative sentence. Okay, next, what is an imperative sentence? So sentences that gives command, advice, request are called imperative sentence. Okay, the imperative sentence always gives you some commands or gives you something, some advices, or makes some request. These kind of sentences are called imperative sentence. Like don't run in the corridor. Okay, so don't run in the corridor, I am ordering you. Shut the door, I am ordering you. Okay, these kind of sentences are called imperative sentence. Okay, suppose I am ordering you, don't run in the corridor, or shut the door, please get out of my class. These are orders. Okay, requests, please give me the pen, please give me the book, will you please let me in your class. These are all requests. I am requesting, and I am using the word please. Okay, that are request sentences, request imperative sentences. And command or order is kind of similar thing. And advice, okay, I am advising you, work hard, you will do better. Work hard. Okay, or well done. Okay, I am advising you something, advising you to do something. Okay, I am advising you so you can better, you can do your betterment. Okay, so these all are imperative sentences. Imperative sentence gives command, makes request, or gives you order and advices. Clear? Okay, the third type of sentence is interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? Sentences that ask questions are called interrogative sentences. Okay, and an interrogative sentence always ends with an interrogation mark. Okay, always remember interrogation mark is needed at the end of an interrogative sentence. Okay, so what is an interrogative sentence? Any kind of questions like what are you doing, where do you live, are you going to school. These question type sentences are all interrogative sentences. Okay, next is, and the last one is, exclamatory sentence. Okay, what is an exclamatory sentence? Sentences that expresses strong feelings are called exclamatory sentences. An exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. Okay, you all know what is an exclamation mark. I have already discussed it in one of my videos. I have already done it in the board and made you understand. Okay, so exclamatory sentence. Okay, so what is an exclamatory sentence? Exclamatory sentence always express strong feelings. Okay, like what a wonderful catch, wow, what a wonderful day, wow, what a beautiful sunrise. Okay, I am expressing something, my surprise. Okay, I am surprised. Okay, so that kind of expression are called exclamatory sentences. Like suppose there is a beautiful sunrise. Okay, beautiful sunrise. So what I am saying, wow, what a beautiful sunrise. Some cricketer is has caught the beautiful catch. Okay, what a wonderful catch. Okay, these are all exclamatory sentence. Always remember to end an exclamatory sentence with an exclamation mark. If you don't put an exclamation mark at the end of an exclamatory sentence, and if you don't put an interrogation mark at the end of an interrogative sentence, it will be wrong. Whether if you will write the correct form, but it will be wrong, because without an exclamation mark and without an interrogation mark, the sentences are not completed. Okay, understand? Okay, now interrogative sentence is there is another kind of sentence, that is interrogative sentence, and another kind is negative sentence. You all know what is a negative sentence. Sentences that have not in them are called negative sentences. Okay, statements that are not negative are called positive sentence. So that is a positive sentence, the sentence in which we don't use any no or not. Okay, these are called negative sentences. And what are the positive sentences? These are called positive sentences. And what are negative sentences? When we use no, not in a particular sentence, these are called negative sentence. Okay, like I don't have any book, I have no pet, I have not done my homework. These are do not shout in the class. These are all negative sentences. We use no or not in a particular sentence, and the sentence in which we use no or not are called negative sentences. Okay, so this is a negative sentence. It is very simple. Next is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, in interrogative sentence we can make interrogative sentence in both the way. One is with using question word. What are the question words? Which, what, whom, how, where, who. These all are words which starts with H or WH are called question words. The words which starts the question words, the words which starts with H or WH are called question word or WH word. Like what are you doing, who are you, where do you live, all these are question word. And an interrogative sentence can be start with a question word. Okay, next is interrogative sentence can also be made with also be made by changing of the position of the subject and the verb. Yes, like I am doing my homework. Okay, this is a complete sentence. If I want to make it an interrogative sentence, I have to change the verb and the subject form. What is that? What is the verb in this sentence? Am, right? So if I am changing it into an interrogative sentence, then I am doing, am I doing the homework? Am I doing the homework? I have just altered the subject and the verb portion of the sentence, and it becomes an interrogative sentence. Okay, like they are going to school. Okay, are is the verb and they is the subject. They are going to school is the sentence, and if I am turning it into an interrogative sentence, then I will put the are before they. Are they going to school? Okay, so interrogative sentence can be made of two ways. One is by question word, that is what are you doing, who, where do you live, and the second way is by altering the subject and the verb portion, like they are going to school, are they going to school, I am doing my homework, am I doing my homework. These all are interrogative sentences. Hope you have understand it well. Please read it carefully, practice it. Practice makes perfect in grammatical skills. Okay, so keep practicing. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.